Hello, and welcome to our project demo on electricity theft detection using IoT. Today, we will walk you through how our innovative solution helps identify electricity theft in real time and notifies the authorities with instant alerts. Our system consists of current sensors placed at key locations on the electrical supply line. These sensors monitor the current flow between utility poles, helping us detect unauthorized tapping or theft attempts. Our system consists of current sensors placed at key locations on the electrical supply line. These sensors monitor the current flow between utility poles, helping us detect unauthorized tapping or theft attempts. We use the ACS 712 current sensor modules connected to a node MCUs, which collects data on the current flow. This data is then sent to a central PC using Firebase Cloud, where our Python-based web application processes the information. When theft is detected, the system determines the exact location of the theft, such as transformer ID, and sends an alert notification directly to the authorities for immediate action. Our web application has login, registration, and forgot password pages. We measure total current supplied by transformer and current consumed by registered users. If current supplied by transformer is higher than current consumed by registered users, then somewhere tapping has happened.
Electricity theft detected at transformer ID 27. Electricity theft detected at transformer ID 27.
Thank you for watching our demo. Stay tuned for more updates and follow our channel for other innovative IoT-based projects.